Hello and welcome to a quick live trading session. It's the first day of the trading year, this financial year for 2024, and we've got the chart open on the German 40 or the DAX index market, basically looking at the large 40 companies within the German economy. And what we're looking at is this purple line here just below where the green bar is, so the current price. And I'll just flick over there now to point it out. So the price is here right now. This is the top, this is the R3 level, and it's basically the outer point at which these cam levels have laid out on this chart. And basically that means that the market should come right down to one of these levels down here, but basically break down below this purple line into the normal trading zone. So it's pushed up really high, and basically we're looking for the market to bring it back down, hopefully around that open time in about 7 minutes. And ideal situation is, as always, we want to spike in the opposite direction to get us a better fill, so we can then get into the market and bring it back down and rebalance the market to where it should be trading. A good target would be this red line here, which is the previous day's high on a cash chart, and then even perhaps the close or the breakout short level, this yellow line down here. So we're hoping for a nice push up and then a rejection down. So we'll see it turning back around if we do see a nice push up. Keeping in mind that the Japanese earthquake that happened overnight, that market has actually gone up for most of the day. So it had about half an hour of market where it went down. It went straight down quite quickly, and then the rest of the day it continued long for the rest of the day. So that natural disaster didn't have an economic impact that would normally be expected. And given that that market has risen in such a condition, we may see the DAX just continue to go long. So always be aware that the market can continue against you. It could keep going up regardless of these levels and what we think it should do. So we're just going to have to wait for the open and see what actually happens. But again, ideal situation is a big push up, like an impulsive move at the open, a lot of orders being filled and forced through the market, soaking up all of the liquidity, and then we'll see it turn back around, aiming for at least the R3 and any of the levels below, even say down to the breakout short. But a really good target would be the high here. So 16,757 is the previous day's high. So we're getting a bit of long activity here. Got 5 minutes till the open, so this could be a really good opportunity. There's a lot of pre-market orders coming through. Could end up quite high and create a really nice potential for us to get short if it keeps going up until that opening bell. What we don't want to see is that market now within the pre-market come back down and touch the R3, because we want a nice big extension before we get into the trade, so that we have plenty of target to go for. And more movement in our direction means a better trade, a better win. So basically, if it does push up higher, that could be a good thing. Just being aware that there's nothing really above us. We're kind of sitting at basically all-time highs aside from this wick here on the weekly chart. It's really just this one price point here that could reject off. Other than that, we don't have anything to bounce off or anything like that. So it is quite a scary position to trust in a short and go for that target down below where it is right now, but we are at super high pricing. So at some point it is likely that it will go down. It's just a matter of whether it's this time or another time in the future. So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I hope you enjoy these sessions, and like and subscribe if you did and you found this helpful. Best of luck with